Nobody wakes up one morning expecting the power to go out, the storm to hit, or the car to break down 20 miles from nowhere. That's exactly the problem. By the time trouble shows up, it's too late to go shopping for solutions. Stick around because today I'm walking you through 11 pieces of gear that smart preppers keep within reach, and number 3 can save you from a big headache down the road. But before going in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Number 11. Solar Camping Lantern. Kicking things off with a lantern that refuses to leave you in the dark, literally. This thing charges 3 separate ways: sunlight, a USB cable, or plain old AA batteries, so there's basically no excuse for it ever dying on you. It even moonlights as a backup battery pack for your phone. The upgraded LED ring throws light in every direction, pushing out around 100 lumens, which is more than enough to light up a whole tent or a small room. One full charge keeps it running past 12 hours straight. Number 10. Camperig Outdoor Guardians. This one's for anyone who's ever felt uneasy sleeping outside without knowing what's moving around them. It's a radar-based motion detection setup running on 5.8 GHz, paired with a receiver that buzzes you the second something, animal or person, wanders near your tent, truck, or campsite. The little sensors work kind of like wireless earbuds. Pop them back in the receiver and they recharge automatically. You're looking at roughly 30 hours of battery life, and the best part is you won't touch a single setting or connect to any network. Set it down and it just works. Number 9. The Permanent Match. Small enough to disappear into your pocket, but it's the kind of tool you'll be grateful you packed the day everything goes sideways. Rain, wind, freezing temps, none of it stops this thing from sparking. Built out of stainless steel and tough ABS plastic, it's rated for around 15,000 strikes before it even thinks about quitting, and when the fluid runs low, you just refill it and keep going. Basically a lighter that refuses to retire. So no matter if you're camping, hiking, fishing, or just tossing together an emergency kit, it's one of those simple pieces of gear you barely notice until you suddenly need it. Then it earns its place without any fuss. Number 8. Mini Emergency Thermal Blanket. Cold catches people off guard more often than you'd think, and this blanket is built for exactly that moment. The mylar lining traps body heat fast, and despite doing a big job, it folds down small enough to toss in a glove box, day pack, or camping bin without adding any real weight. It holds up fine through hiking trips, fishing days, or just sitting in your trunk for emergencies, and cleanup is as simple as tossing it in the wash. It's one of those things you hope stays folded up forever, but if the weather turns or someone needs to stay warm in a hurry, you'll be glad it's within reach. Number 7. The Power Card. Picture a phone charger the size of a credit card. That's this. Weighing barely over an ounce, it slides right into a wallet or glove compartment and sits there pre-charged for up to 8 years without needing a single top-up. Whip it out during a blackout, plug directly into your Android or iPhone, no cords, no outlets required, and you've got a lifeline in your pocket. Once it's used, it's recyclable through select drop-off programs, so it's not just convenient, it's disposable the right way too. It's perfect for road trips, emergency kits, long flights, or those moments when your battery hits 1% at the worst possible time. You won't use it every day, but when you do, you'll be glad it was quietly waiting in your wallet. So far, that's just the beginning. Let's see what comes next. Number 6. Rechargeable Headlamp. Ever try digging through a bag in the dark while holding a flashlight in your teeth? This headlamp solves that. It throws a wide 230-degree beam so you're not constantly turning your head to see what's around you, and it's got a motion sensor that flips on or off with a simple hand wave. 6 lighting modes are packed in, including a night vision red setting and an SOS strobe for emergencies. The battery holds up to 10 hours per charge, and the IPX4 rating means a little rain or splash isn't going to short it out. If you're interested in any of these, the links are waiting in the description. Number 5. The Loaded Survival Kit. If you'd rather grab one bag and have it cover almost everything, this is that bag. We're talking 160 pieces total, a 15-in-1 axe, a folding shovel, a full multi-tool, fire starting gear, and on top of that, 120 separate medical supplies, all packed into a rugged mall-style pouch. It's light enough to toss in a trunk or closet and forget about until the day you actually need it, whether that's a weekend hike or something a lot more serious. Instead of buying everything one piece at a time, you've already got the basics in one place, organized and ready to go. It's the kind of kit that's easy to overlook until you're really glad you brought it along. Number 4. The Survival Shovel. This isn't your average digging tool. Fold it out and you've suddenly got an axe, a bottle opener, a whistle, a mini camera mount, a fire starter, a wire saw, and rope, all built into one compact frame. The head itself is forged from martensitic steel strong enough to handle over 2,000 pounds of pressure without folding, and it shrugs off rust in freezing weather without a problem. A 7-angle locking system lets you adjust it one-handed, and the aluminum grip has a removable non-slip pad so it won't slip out of tired hands. Number 3. The Mini Water Filter. Clean water is one of those things you don't think about until it's gone, and this filter weighs less than 2 ounces, making it the lightest option most people will ever carry. Inside the kit you get the filter itself, a squeeze pouch, an extendable straw, cotton pre-filters, and a syringe for cleaning. The 2-stage membrane strains out over 99% of contaminants down to 0.01 microns, medical-grade filtration in something that fits in your palm. One filter is rated to purify over 1,100 gallons before it needs replacing. It gives you clean drinking water without adding bulk to your gear. It's one of those items that's easy to pack and even easier to appreciate when it counts. If you could only choose one, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments. Number 2. Dexnor Solar Charger. For anyone who burns through a phone battery faster than they'd like, this charger is built to keep up. It hits 65 watts of fast charging, enough to push an iPhone 16 to over half battery in about half an hour. Magnetic wireless charging is built in too, compatible with MagSafe and Qi, delivering 15 watts to Android devices and 7.5 to iPhones. With a massive 27,000 mAh capacity, it can juice up to 4 devices at once, and when the sun isn't cooperating, a Type-C cable gets the job done just as fast. Number 1. Emergency Survival Tent. Taking the top spot is a tent that's ready to go the second you need shelter. Made from 190T nylon with upgraded fiberglass poles and a protective double-layer casing, it's designed to avoid the pinched fingers that come with cheaper setups. There's enough room for one adult comfortably, or an adult and a child in a pinch, and at just 2 kilograms, it won't weigh down a bug-out bag. The seams are sealed against heavy rain, and mesh paneling on the door and roof keeps airflow moving so you're not stuck sweating it out inside. And that wraps up all 11. If this list gave you even one idea worth acting on, do me a favor and smash that like button, drop a comment with which item you're grabbing first, and subscribe so you're here for the next video.